Hello everyone. So ito na yung most request nyo lalo na sa mga babae no na paano magpalaki ng glutes or puwet bat kung tawagin natin. Okay? So ito na yung mga basics workout for glutes at pwede itong gawin sa bahay. Okay? So first workout for glutes is glute bridge. And proper position, you need to squeeze your glutes guys lagi para matatamaan yung wino-workout po natin. After that, rest kayo 40 seconds, rest in between after sets. Okay? So, next workout naman natin, ito yung pangalawang workout natin. That is a donkey kickback. Okay? So, make sure lang na yung shoulder nyo or yung arms naka-inline sa shoulder nyo. Tapos, naka-slightly bend yung leg. Then, always squeeze your glutes, which is yun naman yung tina-target natin to work out. After that, 40 seconds rest ulit. Next workout is kneeling squat. Okay? Kailangan nyo mag-tap yung glutes, pababa, then you need to push your hip forward. And of course, always squeeze ang glutes lagi. Okay? So, next, rest naman kayo 40 seconds rest. Then after that, yung workout naman natin is a straight leg kickback. So, magkakaiba siya sa kanina sa donkey kickback, guys. Ngayon, naka-straight yung buong paa natin pataas. Okay? So, rest naman after that sets. So, next workout naman po natin, ang last na workout po natin is a crab walk. Okay? Make sure lang na lagi kayo naka-squat. Yan, then magsa-side lang kayo, walk kayo pa side, then sa left side naman after. Okay, side to side po. So magbilang lang kayo ng 20 repetitions in 4 sets. So yan lang po yung workout natin for glutes. And then maraming salamat. Sana nakatulong po ako sa inyo and see you on the next one.